Hello, welcome to Createful Art and another Art Tip Tuesday where I give you tips to help you become a better artist. Make sure you're subscribing and hitting that bell next to it so that you can get all of my art tips. Today's tip is on drawing. I'm going to make it really easy for you to be able to draw whatever's in your mind or whatever you see. Let me show you this really cool tip. Today's tip goes along with last week's tip about drawing your compositions onto your painting surface. Sometimes you want to draw objects that are in front of you, or you want to draw from your imagination. My biggest tip when you're doing that is to use a watercolor pencil. The reason why you want to use a watercolor pencil is because you don't have to erase the lines and it won't ruin your artwork. Sometimes when you are trying to erase a line, just the erasing process breaks down your canvas. It can break down the paints underneath it if you are tracing over a background that you've already painted. But watercolor pencil, you just simply wipe away with just a little water and some paper towel. Also, while you're painting, you're going to move those lines and they're going to disappear. And it's such little pigment that it's not going to change the paint color of what you're trying to paint down. So it's just a really cool tool to be able to wipe away any lines you don't want, to just keep drawing until you get your composition the exact way that you want it, and then you can just paint within those lines. Thank you for watching. I hope this tip really helps you become a better artist. There are more tips right over here, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I make a new video. And I have workshops right over here that you can learn to paint while you paint along with me. I'll see you in my next tip Tuesday. Bye!